You
Yeah.
understand? One. Rose and
Let me
Lisa
send you.
need to give it. The two of them need to hug them one another and say,
Yes.
this is real life.
Let me tell you two of them stretch your man in the comment and shake on and move
All
on.
right,
Eh?
to the set up my and Shake and Lisa and
We give
Rose.
them I don't know, we give them a hug. Alright, you turn from one side, then I'm one day over there, so one over here, so and me there, so Dana there, so come.
But I'm come more from the phone from last year.
Oh me?
You up tonight to yeah, let them see we now.
Show me to them big
But
and understand.
but them say peace and love,
Of
Rose and
course.
Lisa.
Of course, I know say me not support none except peace and love over here. You
Yeah.
know, unity. And the reason why I don't to get no myself attached to nobody on social media because guess what? Every minute this a one year award, that the one award, that one year friend, that one year no friend. Never only can ever get me join them bull crap. They never. Me not take no side in no social media bull crap. Never, ever, ever. Anybody when me want to talk to on social media, me I talk to them. Because guess what? Una not gonna make me look like no fool. Me take side and I talk to that one day and take side and I talk to that one day and then tomorrow una and that one day a friend. Childish and bull crap.
True.
Never.
True.
Ever, ever, ever get me in them foolishness there. Una better
True.
and set the example for the kids and the younger generation then we are come up on social media.
True. You know,
We can't have a sisterhood and treat our sister like that, you know?
and you know, as I did that talk one night, we wish we could have that event here. You know, for just mingle and know everybody in a
Yeah,
real life and just
that's what it's supposed
enjoy
to do now.
and laugh
That's what
and
it's supposed
talk.
to do. And you audience, you must start holding on a platform all accountable when they are wrong. Yeah, even though you love them and support them, when them wrong, them wrong.
True.
When them wrong, them wrong. No care if I'm me, Donna, anyone away, Chris, Rose, Observant, Leisha, when we're wrong, we're wrong. We can't wrong, I will not support and I say no other wrong there. No. Wrong is wrong and right is right. You
True.
understand? That doesn't mean if you correct somebody, that doesn't mean you love them any less. You correct them because you love them and you want to see them do better. You
True.
understand? But if
True.
you ever support somebody, you can't say, no, say you're wrong, you shouldn't say that. Or that could have anger different. That doesn't mean you don't love and as long as you do it in a respectful manner. I mean, I say not to disrespect them or whatever, but one needs to start all on a platform. All there's a support that people want to support accountable for their actions.
True, my
When
sister. True.
you can't I say, yo, oh that one wrong and when no never says it, that one wrong and that shouldn't have said. You
Are you,
understand?
are you afraid to tell the person, say, no, so you're wrong? Call them out from what?
Yeah,
And you know, we think some people take social media too serious too.
exactly. Exactly.
It's like, I
That's
think
what the biggest problem.
it's
And
sense. Everybody skin different, everybody view life different. But to me, social media is something we have in our hand. We control the time, we control what goes in and what comes out. You know people in a real life, you know?
exactly.
Yes.
The other day I have a conversation with somebody and I say it's like the way how social media is, like people take things so personal and we might never meet some of these people in a real life ever, 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 ever. And you take things so personal, some little foolishness blow out of proportion and become so disrespectful. You know what I mean?
I know,
And not everybody's gonna be
like,
friends.
like,
Not everybody's gonna be friends, but we have to learn to start having mutual respect. And if something go down, we can deal with it respectfully. We can't look for one side and I say, oh, them this and that. When we as something happen, we show them so we just like them.
and like, me go down town, yesterday, and some of my English friend, them, I say, boy, you know, me not like this one year, I can't start. And I say, but the people them never do you nothing yet. You know, you can't make
Exactly.
somebody make you hate somebody. Me always say, give people the benefit of the doubt. Because that person you might not like me, you can't get up and just hate them because them not like Donna. You have to make them do you something. And that is what I divide social media, Josh. That is what I divide social media because somebody come out and say, yeah, everybody have them fans. But I mean, I like Donna. I mean, I like Miss Lothian, for example, the two away, and then no do you not now. I say, I mean, I like her because the way you see that person, me not see, and when the person see me, we not see. We have to find out people for ourselves. You understand?
But that's why it comes down to the platform owners too, because a lot of people become so attached to the owners of the platform where they become even emotionally attached to them platform, when they call them social media person to them support. So anything at all, them ride and die for them.
True.
You understand? They ride and nothing is wrong with that. But you have to be responsible for what you're putting out there for these people to, vibe off for too. You understand? Not because people love you and support you, feel like you can get away with anything. No.
True. True.
And it's like sometimes too, they manipulate them followers to hate people and this and that. It doesn't make no sense. We all are one. We have to do better. Life promise this morning. Say Larry sent one video where one man meets in an accident. The man I got work, and I say, if you ever see the man crush, and I say, look at it. What is man? This man get gone bed, wake up and get ready for go work. And I keep run. You know when that do it, take him running or something and him crush out. And I say, look at that. What is man? We are nothing. We are dust.
True.
You understand?
True.
We have to learn to respect life. We have to learn to respect life, respect people. You know what I mean? And we say we not all have to be friends. We don't all have to be friends. And if you have a disagreement, below the belt disrespect, we not have to go there.
Yeah, you can talk about things and not disrespect and certain degrading things where people have to say about each other.
And the thing is, so people have to learn to respect people's opinion. Not because you share an opinion and you know really agree with what me said. That doesn't mean say you understand disrespect. Everybody entitled them opinion. Everybody view things from a different perspective, and that is a problem. People don't learn to respect other people's opinions.
Yes, that is so true.
Yeah, learn to respect people's opinion. As long as nobody not disrespect you, love certain things.
True. And and focus on things that edify, uplift, and motivate people.
Exactly.
And then again, the audience love the bagabaganess and the cussing and the degrading and the tear down and entertain it.
To be honest, nothing wrong with gossiping and fun here and there. Where me really have a problem with is the below the belt, where at least you could think, where is the love and respect where you just have for me? As me say something, you've reached certain levels. You understand? Me and you say me a sister, we are brother, and as me and you fall out or we have a disagreement, me are the worst person ever. You understand? So that means you are being fake. You understand that there was no true love there. There was no genuine love there. There was no genuine respect there for me. Because as soon as me and you fall out, you cannot tell me the worst thing ever. That means that that's what you really think of me.
True. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Not true. And it for example, I said me up on the comment section or me in my life and somebody said something more disrespectful, I'm feel like to answer. But I'm an answer back. But when you see people have platform like grown adults have them platform and them start jab at each other, it all the way do it, including myself. And you look back on it and you say, boy, look how we say we are promote positivity and we have to promote woman empowerment, and I said including myself because I have in the past done that. And somebody said something about me, you come out big back tough, me come out, me call people all kind of names, if you don't know. You understand? But when you grow to a certain level, now you look back on it and you say, say that not look good. Because we have as platform, we have people that look up to us.
Do better. If you know better, you have to look here all rough, because sometimes it's really nasty out here, if you want to be honest. But guess what? You have to be strong enough for fight back, because darkness can't drive out darkness. You need light. So therefore, once you try to react to darkness with darkness, it just get darker.
Yeah, we can all get along on social media, in a terms of, all right, I oppose Miss Lothian to something we should do or we should say, I'm oppose Aunty Donna, but the fact that people gone under people fractal, people gone under people close, people are degrading each other, that not sound good. And it not look good. And you have to reach to a place to see it with your two eyes, because when you're literally in it, you have the same women them where they on one platform I say women empowerment egg and the cussing. You have one set over here so say boy I'm in a certain mix up, but yes still you see them there so I cuss and it never stops. Them egg and people for cuss that one, they cuss that one, they cuss that one there, and the story goes.
As
You
we said,
understand?
everybody not gonna be friend on this. Everybody won't be friends. And me personally, me know say me choose who me want to be friends with
Okay,
and who me
yes.
want
I
to.
see somebody said them not talk about that. Leisha said them not talk about. So Leisha, somebody right say, Leisha apologize and Rose need to come and apologize. I wanna not talk about that. I just saw that comment come up. Well, Lisa and Rose are two big women. It takes a adult and a big woman to come out and say, I apologize. I am sorry. When you apologize, it's you accepting that you're wrong, both are wrong. And if Lisa apologizes, in all fairness, I think Rose should come out and apologize to, it shows that there's no animosity. We don't have to be friends, but we
I
don't
didn't
have to cover.
I didn't even know that Alicia come out and apologize or nothing. But if Alicia come out and apologize, Rose up too big to come out and apologize to and move on.
That is what I just said.
If me want to be honest with another whole situation, yeah. Alright, me not even go to some point no finger. But if Alicia come out and apologize, Rose no big have to go and apologize so. Because none of them no perfect. And that's the truth. And move on. Nobody not saying you guys have to be friends. Move on.
True.
Because me,
Yes,
the type of person want to disrespect me in certain way. Me no want to be no friend, but me I can be cordial.
yeah, and looking at it from both of them say things will hurt each other. Both of them carry on in a certain manner. And them can come out if one apologize, the other Rose can come out and apologize too. And we make bygone to bygone. Somebody not going and no comment go write up nothing about no one. And the one not coming and no comment go write up nothing about no one. You understand? Just like Alicia did say something and me never know, say she apologized to me and she said something was hurtful to Rose, hurtful to me, and I came out and I addressed it. You understand? I mean, and she apologized and I said the same thing likewise. Did me say anything will offend her? I apologize publicly right now.
Then what
And I did say something.
interaction with Lisha. Lisha just have a big mouth. You know, so behind the scene, Lisha one of the nicest person ever. Lisha is one of the few people when me talk to on phone on social media.
Mm-hmm.
Lisha is one of the few people, a long time I don't really talk like that, but Lisha is one of the few people me talk to on social media. And Lisha one of the biggest art, one of the nicest person ever. Lisha just love run her mouth. And 90% of the time, say Lisha come on her life, you don't even mean nothing.
And we can say that about Rose too because I never see Rose. I meet Rose 2020, 2022. And I never see her in this manner. Rose is a very humble person, very quiet. The Rose that me see on social media chat and so she there in her real life. Rose very laid back and shy.
I never have
So
a
I feel like the phone have something to do with bringing out people. Cause Rose very laid back, she shy, she very kind, she very loving, and she always a laugh. So if on social media, as Rose say, and as Leisha said, she apologized. Somebody said, Leisha apologized. Me meet Rose and me meet Leisha. Me meet Leisha like for 20 minutes or so out there, so which you know see. But me meet Rose for more than that. And what draw me to Rose is that my son love her. One time Josh land on the plane, he asked me, Auntie Rose coming to meet us, and them look away. So she have a good heart, but maybe sometimes social media put on a different persona. But ladies, when I go on who wrong now and who right, the both of you need to make apology to each other publicly. And as I say, Leisha said, I make we move on and allow the bloggers them to stop look on it and say, well, watch them over there war with one another. The whole of them are planker, the whole of them are this.
Well, Mr. Rose make a comment and said it's not okay for her to run her mouth and disrespect. Nobody's saying it's okay. That's what we're saying. The disrespect is not okay. You understand that everybody fight different, and I'm not saying she should come and disrespect you or you should disrespect her. I said only can deal with things on a different levels. Not everybody are gonna be friend. Everybody are gonna be friend, but at least as women, we need to start having more respect for ourselves. Every day we get up and we want man respect, but we don't respect ourselves.
And
We have to respect with this, but We have to respect ourselves before we want other people to respect we, and that's the truth.
And let me tell you something, as with the hear as big people attack, I feel I get the most disrespect from Ashanti, and I say it all the time in my life, when back in the days. When we meet Ashanti, it was something completely different. Me tell you, Miss Lothian, I call you the night, and I say, Lord Jesus, me say, Ashanti, I can't believe that him a cuss me. It's a different somebody me see. You understand? And people make social media bring them out. And if me always up willing to stretch an olive branch. You understand? Because when me I got my bed at night time, me not go on my bed with nobody in my heart. And the whole of we say things and the whole of we do things. Ladies, I can't tell how each
My always companions and tell them, say, Ashanti one of the biggest baby behind the scene. Talking to Ashanti, first time I talked to Ashanti, I said, then Ashanti have a big mouth on social media. Ashanti one of the coolest person ever. I guess, as
yes.
you said, when the camera turn on, it does make a different side to them. But Ashanti are one of the coolest person ever.
Yes,
Just
and because of that
recently, just
too.
recently, just recently, um, another social media person had to reach out to me, and one day they're gonna come and talk about it, but the timing is not right. So when it right, and it's like I've seen a different side to what I see on social media also. And it's like,
Yeah.
I wonder
But I
if
tell you,
like some
me meet quite a few people in the social media when me and them go Waterloo. I mean, I don't want to call nobody name because I call people name. For example, me meet Maxine and I'm the monster when me see Maxine is in her phone. When me meet Maxine, Maxine's a nice lady. Auntie Donna, you know, she run a little joke. So sometimes when me see Maxine in her phone, I cuss me, I say, but Lord Jesus, another lady I meet a different person. It's like when you meet them a different. It's like the phone do something to people. I don't know. I think the phone have some demon. Me meet Dr. Love. When me meet Dr. Love, Dr. Love are somebody are completely different. When you meet them, it's like they are so humbled. And with that mother like, you know, the ones that when we meet, everybody could have just come and we laugh and we talk. We are with different in social media. It's like a workforce for all of it. Some work hard, some work easy, some work just no work thing no night. And sometimes we tell each other something that you die you better night and you say, Lord, then in this she really tell me that, or she really tell me that, or she really tell me that. Me see a blogger will cuss me on phone and call me the other day. And me never see it and me say me not call back, you know, because this blogger here bring me down, cuss me for no reason. And me I say, John, no, me can't take another dragging. So me just avoid calls. Some people nice when you meet them in a real life. It's like it's some form of demonic in my phone.
from my restaurant, I get to meet some of them. But I say, even some commenter where you say rant on social media, you meet them. When you meet them are the nicest person. But I say, it's like, it give them a, you know, like, it give them, when they come on social media, it come like, it give them some form of strength and power. As I said, in recent weeks, me speak to somebody, have a conversation with somebody, and it's a total different person from where, on social media. You have to wonder, me, I said, like,
And
and
guys, we not take no disrespect to nobody name what we mention in the comments.
me
Hold
not
on,
no
we are keep it respectful. Anybody put up any disrespectful comment, Miss Lothian, please remove it. We have been a conversation and we are big woman and we can talk without anybody in the comment. Because you know what happened? A lot of the time it's you, the people in the comment, make things bad for us. When you come on and when you write certain things, that's why nobody can come from my life and write nothing bad about nobody. Can never take me set on us straight. Do not write nobody a demon. Do not write nothing in the comments. We're supposed to, as big people, can sit and have a civil conversation without being disrespectful. Things happening on phone to all our way and we hurt, and everybody said things we hurt each other as woman. This is one of cause Aunty Donna said this, and we hurt each other. But the point, that's why whenever I see I do something wrong, I think I do something wrong, I am not too big to come on my platform and say, I apologize. You understand? I apologize for when me go wrong. And me move on. Me not go say me apologize and come back the next day I cuss you. I go there stuff and you did do me this. For you apologize, you mend fences and you move on. You don't apologize to somebody and tomorrow you come up back and Donna when said this and Miss Lothian when do me this. And so that's why we cannot let go of certain things. I mean, I come in a phone country with nobody when me apologize to.
Yeah, but I mean, it takes a big person to apologize. It's when them wrong and say, yo, you know, say, me go too far. You have to respect a person who seen themselves say, me go wrong. I'm going to apologize.
True.
You understand? Kind of everybody have that in them fit. Some people just feel like them ego too big. Oh, me not apologize and this and that or whatever. They don't care about the hurt that them cause or inflict on others. You understand?
True, true,
But for somebody
true.
to go to them do wrong and them can't come apologize, it's up to the end of the day, you know, forgiveness is not for you. I always say that. For them, forgiveness is for you. You understand? When somebody do you wrong and you can't find your heart for forgiveness, you clean your aura, you clean your mindset, you clean your heart. Somebody betray me last week. I said, Mr. Alicia, make one comment tomorrow and comment pan, but me come back. I see somebody in the comment to annoy the spirit, but
Block them off or delete them comment.
yeah,
Anyone
make
of them are writing in your comment when negative, block them off. And you know, I understand me want people to stop. If you want this, if this blogger don't like Miss Lothian, you know want the person that to talk to the person. Because you if so for example, say me and Miss Lothian not talk, you and Carol not talk, and you and Carol talk, me no want you talk to Carol.
nobody can do that with me. From day one, them know so them can't come put nothing to me on board. Me and the one, they don't go on the page. Me go on anybody page on social, whether Leggy page, Dewey page, Gracie page,
A long
anybody
time I don't talk about Leggy, a long time I don't say I like Leggy.
anybody page, Ashanti page, me go all on Tina Chin page. Anybody page me want go on social media, nobody can tell me. As long as them don't block me, I say me can't go on page.
I know me
Nobody,
black people out on this one. I'm tell you, some people do some things, some people do some hurtful things that you know, you forgive them, but you don't want to have nothing to do with them. You never want to hear them voice. Like for example, Erica. Erica come on social media and cuss me. I'm always sit down and listen to Erica and laugh. I'm tell you that. Don't me tell you. Me say me love hear when Erica say, ha ha. And when she cuss people, I'm gone. And sometimes she over there, she dissect or look or something. I'm over there. I'm gonna watch her out for long, but when she start laugh, sometimes I say, Erica, allow that no man, about that time at the people. Me now go come in. Not all the way, but she have one like where she do me something, me and I go back. I not hate her, I don't know if she hate me, but me done past that, so that not say me now go look. But some of them do me some hurtful things in her life. In a social media, we don't want to hear them, we don't want to see them voice. Maxine cuts me dog rotten. Me not hear her.
them out, you don't get to hear, so you react. And I
Yeah,
always tell you
I
that.
don't see her like them. Because there she cuss me. So me just say, "Cho," and Maxine that admin make she do what she do, and money share me. So some people, me don't want to see them. Me don't want to hear them voice.
Yeah, Maxine just do that for views. Cause if nobody not love you, me know Maxine. Maxine is just, it's to be like.
I'm tell people, even when I admit them, you're not black hair. I said, no,
No,
Maxine
you know
here.
Maxine do what
I'm
she do
tell
for
you that.
views. And Maxine herself knows that she just do it for views. Everybody know that with Maxine. I don't even think nobody take Maxine serious.
Somebody come here and say, Donna, you're vex if Maxine come here. If myself for what? If Maxine has spent her money to come turn up and dance, I fear her business. Me not have nothing against her. My men sent to which if she want to cuss me. And I tell you that, me tell Maxine that 3 years ago before she come here, me said, I will never come in a phone and cuss you. I will never come in a phone and address you. From me and your men friends, me, my heart clear against you, me gone. Admin no black car. Miss admin say me I go black Maxine because Maxine over there cut you. Me say love Maxine. But there are some people me despise where I will never listen to them. I will never watch them and I don't want to hear them voice. That don't mean say me hate them, but I despise them. But people need to stop come on social media and degrade certain people. You don't know me don't know you. And you're gone. Even me and you talk about certain things, I don't like certain degradement. You understand? And you don't like certain degradement when woman every day we get up. Woman empowerment. We love woman. If we hear something happen to a woman out there, so the whole of we feel a way. And I said, even when the teacher died one day, and me see it, I said, John, when the taxi man take away the teacher, because you know me not go on my phone go talk certain things. And when me say the taxi man, do with the teacher, I say I feel it to my bone, Miss Lothian. And me I say, look there.
That's him who took her away?
One taxi man take away one teacher they better look for.
Oh, I saw that she was missing, but me never know one taxi man take her away.
Yeah, them find her dead.
No, I saw it too. That then me never know say me never know say
I want
taxi man take
taxi
her away.
man. I want taxi man. Me I tell you say it hurt me. I say we as woman. Me I say the whole them people can't tell. They see me not come from me slow down and my friend and she can't tell. I don't care what I go on in her phone. Me not take up my phone and call me slow down and chat no blogger. Me know them tight there. Me trust me slow and trust with. Ah, we talk about boy sister me tired enough from man me there work. Me say boy you know me I do this, me I fix this. And we talk about things we uplifting. She now call me and tell me say boy this a one here cost me. That the one more time when me know not that I in a phone people send it. And me try to stay away from the negative energy. More than love most of woman bloggers. They use on the phone to motivate. Have a little dialogue, have a little topic, have a little something. And better on yourself. You understand? Sometimes you not talk about
That's what we should be doing. We supposed to be, and we suppose, especially us as entrepreneurs, supposed to network and uplift each other. Suppose somebody supposed to call me and say, Miss Lothian, you know, me want this done, and me can cater for that specific thing where them want. And I know say the next person do it. Me supposed to able to pick up the phone and call the next person and say, yo.
Some bake, some can do this. All of we should have team up and say, boy, you know, say Aunty Donna, the big platform then, I keep something, Miss Lothian, I do that
Oh,
one. I go to the case.
today. I see Chris in the comment section. I'm over here today.
I don't know where in there. Let me talk to him this morning.
Okay.
But that one is supposed to can say, all right, this are come the whole we are going as social media influencer and we are going to sit down and we are going to talk. Let me tell you, no, me not ask nobody to come event sold out till the book. We have to add extra. So tell them that Miss Lothian.
Yeah,
I want to see it full
we're gonna get into that. Go on, everybody. Them,
yeah,
but
but
them
I
don't
want
know
to
you're
say
gonna
me and
get
say this come here. No,
no, them don't know you're gonna get
I
the
don't want
support.
to I am saying this. Come here, look, people for come. No, I want to get it
Yeah, but
right.
them know that already. Them know that. So you don't even
Yeah.
have to go there. And even if so or sell it's a business, so it doesn't matter.
All
That's
right.
the thing though. Even if I saw it doesn't matter.
No,
Yeah, that's not really
because I
matter.
say when you say me wish say some people when me not despise could have did it. When we laugh and we say this is so and so this everybody come out, eat, drink, laugh, talk, enjoy themselves, give God the glory in there, and we gonna separate ways. You understand?
Unfortunately, me know that naga happen, and you know that naga happen. But my thing is that we all can look for evil. There's always an opportunity in everything. There's always an opportunity. Your event create an opportunity for me. I didn't even speak on it. I didn't even say it. All right. Your event that you're keeping at Amazura. Amazura change over from Amazura to New York event space. A lot of people don't even know that. They're trying to do different stuff with the venue.
Wow.
And now I'm in talks with the owner of Amazura for when anytime them have an event there, my restaurant's gonna be the restaurant for catering.
Wow!
That's finalized. Yeah, you understand? So there are you understand? So there's always an opportunity for us, and sometimes we don't realize our mouth block our blessing. Last week I was so honored, like so many restaurants in New York and Delta Airlines through Chef Lothian's kitchen. You understand?
Wow.
We cater for them event for over $500. When we talk about all of the executives, them, the pilot, the man that clean out the plane, the air hostess, everybody was there eating Chef Lothian's food. If me the come on social media, I make a fool of myself.
Come in more, we not see you good. Yeah.
If me did not come on social media, come and make a fool of myself and put down people that degrade, now respect my business, because you have to first respect your hustle. You understand? If me never respect my hustle and I come on social media, all the time people egg me on and do all kind of bullshit to me on social media when me could react to, cause me a bad girl in a real life. Me not afraid, and anybody know me knows that me a bad girl in a real life, and we find girl and beat them and do whatever.
You know.
That's all me. That's all me. So I'm not really afraid of nobody when them say certain thing or draw me and yeah. But me know say me dep on a different levels and me know what me want to go in a life and me know say certain foolishness just doesn't worth it. It don't make me shine. Me can't sell food and I get up on a course and a class and I disrespect people and then something that I expect people to come and support my business every day. No.
True. People have respect God where respect. Respect God where respect comes from.
Cook your food and prepare your food. It go in the food and go in the people them belly. You understand?
Energy.
So a lot of times when certain foolishness come out and whatever, and I like me couldn't react to it, and I like me say I'm afraid. But me I said, does it worth it? It takes two, and I'm not gonna be the second person. No, it takes two. You alone can go and stay there miserable and run your mouth. Because at the end of the day, when me look on it, not when nobody do it really affect me, it elevate me. It push me. If people ever used to probably chat about me in a basement of a baker, I not have this, I not have. Probably you would push me for go get my restaurant here. I probably sit down in my basement and make me look at putting them on, just like do look at hustle and whatever. So when them I say, oh, make a call this for her because she a cook in a basement and she a sell this and she a do. It push me and motivate me out there to go get that seat. Me end up with 2 restaurants.
Whoa. See?
You understand? Yeah. So sometimes so I can't react to every stupidness that people say about me or whatever. I can't allow myself to fall for the trap. Them say if every dog will bark at you, get up and throw a stone after you never reach a destination.
I got tired. Throw the stone when just take them up and eat them up and make something outside. Just throw them to and the other day we were talking, you know. I don't remember when I tell you about the contract with the shrimps people. Them I say, Donna, you know, say if I never some of them people here talk, or you would even get certain job because you wouldn't reach out there. Sometimes the negative aspect help for propel away.
Yeah,
help for put you up to the next level.
Talk about you whether good or bad, you die out. I'm saying that guess what? Whether good or bad, I'm not gonna say some of the things that they say is not deplorable and disgusting, but guess what? Them still send people your way. Last week, remember when they came out and started attack your event? That's why the ticket scale soar right through the door. When they come over the weekend and they might get the owner buy because this
the judge come out. The weekend when go to the ticket, then the judge come out. The ticket then sell out in our duty.
I come from my life, I'm pick them up and I say, I'm going to do a good job at promoting over the weekend.
A week before last when Buju come. He make the ticket them sold out fast.
And they come out and talk about it and I criticize this and this and that. And I say, look there. Want to do a great job. I come out and say, big up on yourself because I guess I'm do the dudes. I'm do what I'm supposed to do.
True,
you understand? So sometimes God set up these people to do the work for you. They might not do it the way you want it.